Hello YouTube, welcome back to my little channel. As you can see, I'm still on the little Suzuki in Azuma. Just a little update about me getting a new bike. I kind of made my mind up of going for the Yamaha R1, the red and white one, if you've seen on my previous videos, or the CB500X. Unfortunately, they've both been sold. I'm still on the little beastie. So, for now, the new bike's on hold. For now. But I'm still having fun riding my little Suzuki in Azuma. Still a fun little bike. The other day I went for a nice long ride, and I think I did 89 miles in one go, and decided to pull in, fill it up with fuel. Granted, it didn't really use a lot because this bike's very good on petrol, or gas as my American friends would say, and it did 89 miles for a gallon. Well, to be fair, actually, it wasn't quite a gallon. It's astonishing really how many miles this little beastie does for a gallon. Yeah, so on that one, can't fault it. And I wasn't really going slow. I'm still doing 60, 65. Obviously, if you go slower, I do even more. So really, I give it full respect for this little bike. Miles per gallon. Yeah, granted, it's not fast. It's nothing exciting to ride, but as a genuine bike, just to have fun and go to work on and have a blast, can't fault it. This junction looks busy. BMW adventure bike. Looks like they're all going to Skegness for a day trip. As you can see, this bike is pretty damn nippy for a 250. Oh, better slow down. Hey up. Like BMW bike. When you do open her up, she's still nippy. Oh yeah, don't get it wrong, she's no 600 or even better, 1000cc, but still having fun. Last few days I've doing a bit of work on her, because I kind of neglect her a little bit. I haven't cleaned me brake calipers for about 3 months, so took them apart and gave them a good clean. To be fair, they weren't that bad, but you know me, I'm very fussy, thank you mate, very fussy for keeping everything in top notch, working properly how it should be, as you do, well, as I do. Also, I put some protection pads kind of on my foot hangers. if you seen my previous videos in the past week or so, I sprayed on matte black. I do really like it now. I wasn't too sure at first. Basically I had a spare tank pad on the Honda CBF 125, what I sold, God, I can't believe it, nearly 2 years ago now. So what I've done, I've chopped it up, cut it around, you know, made it curved. I'll show you when I stop. And sprayed on matte black, so it blend in with my hook hangers really well. Really well. Yeah, also done a good maintenance check on this bike, cleaned all my chain, scrubbed it clean, re-oiled it, etc. Me personally, I love working on bikes, I really do. It's not just about riding, is it? I love working on them. It's a hobby, as I call it. Probably a bit too possessive with it, but never mind. I won't be like that than people who don't give a crap, you know what I mean? I'm not one of them. Can't stand a mucky bike. Yeah, granted, sometimes you can't help it. Well, obviously, as you know, I ride my bike every day. I go to work on it, etc. Me and the little beast to go everywhere. I will pull over here and show you what I've done, what I mean by the foot hangers. Good thing about this bike as well, the turning circle, fantastic. I'll just pull over. He's running like a dream now, this little girl. Really is running beautiful. Don't miss a beat. Let me put it on the main stand. Another good thing about this bike, main stand. Bit on a slant there. Not to worry. Put my visor up, and there you go. I don't know if you can see it. I made some pads to protect it, because on these type of bike it really does mark quite easy. So that's going to protect it. I've got a bit more to do on here. On the other side I've actually finished it off. Like I say, I had a old spare tank pad, but it was a grey and black. I sprayed it matte black, as you can see on here. See if I can, hopefully my camera will pick it up. You can see where the tank pad, the shape, and I put a bit here. You got to really look to see it, because I sprayed it. It was, like I said, black and mainly grey, but I just sprayed it with matte black. I'm very happy with that, so hopefully not catch it with my boots. As you can see, the little beastie is in great condition. Be a shame to get rid of it though, but I have decided to keep her. I was going to use it for an everyday bike, work, etc. Well, yeah, so it's good fun. Yeah, just a little update on my new motorbike situation, and little things I've done to the beastie. I think the next one is getting a exhaust system. I kind of made my mind up for that one. Saves a hell of a lot of weight. Yeah. What do you think? Not a bad looking bike really, is she? Anyway, thanks for watching this video. As I always say, ride safe, keep smiling, bye for now.